Fixed Wi-Fi connection is used on HP DeskJet and HP NB6100 and 6500 series printers with Print Smart Help. If your computer or phone cannot find your HP printer over Wi-Fi, follow these simple troubleshooting steps. After each step, try printing again. And if you need additional printer support, you can call the phone number displayed on your screen for expert help. Step 1. Restart all your devices. Close all apps and restart your computer or mobile device. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable from both printer and wall outlet. Wait for 60 seconds, then reconnect the power cable and turn the printer back on. Step 2. Reset and reconnect the printer's wireless settings. On the printer control panel, tap Menu, navigate to Settings or Configuration, tap Network Settings. Select Restore Network Settings. Tap Yes to confirm. Now tap OK or Accept. To reconnect the printer, tap Wi-Fi Setup. Now tap Start Setup. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the available list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Then tap OK or Connect. Now tap Apply and tap Confirm. Your printer should now reconnect to the Wi-Fi network successfully. Step 3. Remove and re-add the printer in the HP Smart app. Open the HP Smart app. On the home screen, press and hold the printer icon or tap the menu button. Then select Hide Printer. Choose Hide Printer again to confirm. To add the printer back, tap Add Printer or the plus icon. Follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect your printer to the Wi-Fi network. For more printer setup and troubleshooting guides, follow Print Smart Help.